A massive hack has rocked one of the biggest crypto exchanges, leaving the community buzzing with questions. Meanwhile, Argentina's president finds himself at the center of a meme coin scandal that's got investigators furious. In other news, the SEC has made a surprising move by dropping its lawsuit against Coinbase, shifting its regularity landscape. And with ETHDenver 2025 just around the corner, big announcements about Ethereum's future are on the horizon, as we unravel all the latest twists and turns in the crypto world. Hello everyone, I'm Jay, your host and guide to the exhilarating world of crypto. Stick around because today's adventure is packed with stories that will make your jaw drop. Let's talk about a big story in crypto right now. A 1.4 billion hack at Bybit, one of the largest crypto exchanges. Exchange hacks aren't new, but this one is huge. So what happened? Last week, Bybit said its hot wallets were hacked. They lost over $1 billion, mostly in Ethereum. The attack was fast and the funds were moved to hacker-controlled wallets right away. Bybit is investigating the hack and says it will compensate affected users. But let's be honest, this is a wake-up call. Every time an exchange is hacked, it makes us question, can we trust these platforms to keep our funds safe? Security experts are looking into it. Some think it was an inside job or an API exploit, like past hacks. Some say phishing was used to get Bybit's private keys. Here's the crazy part though. Some users saw suspicious withdrawals before Bybit announced the breach. Now this raises questions about transparency. If an exchanger knows something's wrong, shouldn't they warn users right away? This leads to the big question. Are your funds safe on centralized exchanges? If you hold a lot of crypto, this hack is a reminder to not leave your assets on exchanges for too long. If you haven't yet, think about moving your funds to a cold wallet like a Ledger or Trezor. Not your keys, not your coins. It's something we say all the time, but this hack proves why it matters. Let me know in the comments, after this hack, do you still feel safe keeping your funds on platforms like this, or is it time to get full DeFi? Next up, a crazy story from Argentina about why you should never rush into meme coins. Argentina's president is in a crypto scandal, and investigators are mad. The token Libra, a meme coin that skyrocketed and then crashed, leaving people in the dust. So here's what happened. The president, a big supporter of liberation economics and crypto, mentioned Libra during a speech. In hours, the coin's price shot up over 500%. People thought this was an official endorsement. Retail investors jumped in, hoping to make money. But just like that, the coin crashed, losing millions in value. Classic pump and dump. So was this just a meme coin surge, or was there something shady behind it? Regulators in Argentina are investigating if insiders profited from the pump. Some reporters say whale wallets sold a lot of Libra at the top, hinting that people close to the president might have manipulated the market. This is nothing new. Remember when Elon Musk's tweet had made Dogecoin spike? Or when Kim Kardashian was sued for promoting Ethereum Max? We've seen this before. A celebrity talks about a coin, people rush in, then the price crashes, and early investors, well, they cash out. The key takeaways from this incident: never invest just because a celebrity, politician, or influencer mentions a coin anywhere. Meme coins are too risky because they rely on hype. By the time you hear about them, probably too late to invest. So what do you think? Should public figures stay out of crypto? Or is this just how it works? Share your thoughts in the comments. Now, some big news in the US, the SEC has dropped its lawsuit against Coinbase, and this is a big win for the exchange and the industry. If you've been following the battle over crypto rules, you know this case could have set a bad example, but now it looks like the SEC is backing off. Here's the story. The SEC sued Coinbase, claiming they were selling unregistered securities and running an unregistered unregulated exchange system. They said certain tokens listed on Coinbase like Solana, Cardano, and Polygon should be classified as securities. If the SEC had one, it could have led to big changes for US exchanges, more delistings, fines, and stricter rules. But now the SEC is dropping the case. And while they haven't said why, there are some ideas. One is that they knew they were going to lose, as their arguments weren't strong enough. Another is that they backed off after pressure from Congress and investigators wanting clearer rules for crypto. This is very good news for the crypto world because, well, it shows regulators might be changing their approach. If the SEC is stepping back, we could see more institutional adaptation, fewer lawsuits, and maybe better regulations soon. And don't forget, this comes after Bitcoin ETFs were approved, which shows regulators may be warming up to crypto. So what's next? Will the SEC keep softening its stance, or is this just a pause before they come back stronger? Let me know what you think in the comments. Finally, let's talk about ETHDenver 2025. If you're into crypto, especially Ethereum, DeFi, and Web3, this event is for you. It's happening this February the 23rd to March the 2nd in Denver, Colorado. And it's one of the largest Ethereum conferences in the world. So why does ETHDenver matter? It's been the launchpad for some of the most innovative projects in crypto. Some of the best DeFi protocols, layer 2 sections, and NFT ecosystems were first shown here. Developers, investors, and founders from around the world gather to discuss the future of Ethereum, and this year's event will be bigger than ever. One big topic this year will be Ethereum's next upgrade, which would lower gas fees and improve scalability. We might also hear about updates on projects like EigenLayer, ZK rollups, and new staker mechanisms that could change DeFi. If you're into crypto and development, this is the event to watch. Whether you're a builder, investor, or just curious, ETHDenver always has big announcements. So who knows, the next big DeFi project or maybe NFT trend could be unveiled here. Are you going to ETHDenver 2025? And what Ethereum upgrades are you excited about? Let me know in the comments. Crypto is always full of surprises, and these latest events show just how unpredictable this space can be. From hacks to meme coin chaos and shifting regulations, it's clear that change is coming fast. Stay alert, stay informed, and as always, don't forget to secure your assets. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.